Last night we have heard that the election schedule on 18 April was postponed and it will defer on 23rd April. The first phase is already finished in the west of the constituency, and during election there was some minor incident taken place. Maybe due to this they review the situation, but I was told that there are not major incidents have taken place. However, everybody know the Tripura state, we are celebrating 1 week long Garia Puja celebration, which was biggest celebration, especially among the indigenous people, Tripura people of the state are celebrating 1 week long Garia festival. That also one kind of reason, which I believe, because the indigenous people of Tripura have a long time the historical or the occasion. Therefore, it will affect the election. Most of the people, the believers, are participating in the festival, Garia festival. They may not go and cast the vote, but it was a religious festival. I think this is also one factor which the election commission have decided to postpone the schedule. Therefore, on our party, IPFT, we welcome the decision, and it will be held on 23rd April. And from our party, we welcome the decision, and we appealed to the people of Tripura, both tribal and non-tribal, to participate in the election and also to maintain free and fair election. As we are a democratic country, everybody has the right to cast their vote, to franchise their vote. Therefore, I appeal both community, tribal and non-tribal community in Tripura, to cooperate with the administration, to cooperate with the election commission. Everybody should participate in this election. Therefore, we support